Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. Today we're out at Cars and Coffee here in Knoxville, and we have brought something special with us. Not only our badass cars, we've got one hell of a tailgate monster we built here. Hell, it's so big, we had to bring it up to a second story up here, guys. Let's check it out. Guys, we'll start off inside. We've got a really nice prep setup in here. 2 stainless steel cabinets, 3 bay wash sink. We got a full sound system in here. We'll check it outside. Fan going in here. Dual concession windows. She's ready to rock and roll. Guys, this is going on man Britton down in Texas. He called us up and said, guys, I need a little bit of everything. We got him hooked up. He said he likes doing seafood bowls every once in a while. We got 2 30-pound crawfish boilers here. Up next, we've got a 4-burner setup. Of course, we got our 1/4-inch plate steel griddle top. Lawson cooked us some breakfast on this morning. We got 2 more burners over here ready for pot or pan to sit on it. Of course, we got the triple axle setup, guys. Upgraded wheels and tires, those sharp aluminum wheels. Look good on there. Here we've got a 6-basket, 17-gallon fryer. Each side regulates independent from each other. Gotta have the fries and hush puppies on a big cook, guys. For the smoker, we've got dual Copperhead 72 by 30s. This one's actually got the Santa Maria grill built inside of it. You got your smoker racks on this side, ready to go. Not only that, we have added one of our hot boxes on the side here. 6 sliding trays in here, ton of cook room. Hey, Britton's gonna be cooking for an army. This is the rig to do it on. All right, guys, our twin Copperhead 72s both feature a fully insulated firebox. We got this one loaded for wood. I thought Lawson was gonna smoke for us. I don't know what he's doing. Here we got our staircase up to the 2nd story. Of course, we got all our fold-down handrails up there. Really slick setup. Gonna be a party going on up there today. All right, we've got our matching Copperhead 72 on this side. But that ain't it. We've got a dual Santa Maria grill here. This is a massive grill. Each grate goes up independent from each other. Double doors here to tend your fire. All 1/4-inch plate steel on this rig, guys. Also, you can see our full wet sound audio system. We got 4 10-inch speakers, 12-inch sub inside, LED lights all the way around. We've got our coal mine extra large fire table here. Got all kinds of cooking grates, bars up here to hang off of. If you want to put on a show, this is the way to do it. We got our concession window here on the driver's side. Ready to rock and roll, guys. That's it, guys. I'm wrapping up from up top on the party deck. Got all my TMG folks out here. We're having a good time at Cars and Coffee. Britton, we appreciate you, brother. Guys, we can't wait to start the next one. Y'all know the deal. You need a custom fit built, you know to call TMG Fits, Knoxville, Tennessee.